Leipzig Dedicated Server Provider, by TheServerHost. Leipzig is a city full of excitement and great shopping experiences. If you want to shop, then you must head to the heart of town, the Tiergarten, where you will find dozens of traditional German stores, cafes and restaurants. The beautiful castle church is an important landmark of Leipzig. Dedicated hosting is one of the newest types of internet hosting and has rapidly become very popular among the many millions of users accessing the internet on a daily basis. TheServerHost Leipzig Dedicated Web Server, Dedicated Server, Managed Dedicated Server or Virtual Private Server hosting is a kind of internet hosting where the user leases an entire server, separate from others, not sharing with any other users. Dedicated server administration is generally provided by the web hosting company as an important service. Dedicated servers are typically more expensive than shared servers, but offer a considerable advantage in security and reliability. Fast transfer rate. Leipzig dedicated hosting servers do have advantages. The most important advantage is that dedicated servers allow for much faster data transfer rates. This is a great advantage for someone who frequently uploads and downloads of large files. Complete control. Another advantage of using Leipzig dedicated servers is that they provide the customer with complete control over the operating system and software. This is also a great advantage to the customer if they want to customize the computer software to suit their particular needs. Root access. Another advantage to using Leipzig dedicated servers is that you get full root admin access, which gives you complete control over the system. This gives you more access to customize it however you want. However, you do need to make sure that you are getting the most out of your dedicated hosting account, otherwise you will end up paying for features you really don't need or use. These features can include anything from increased bandwidth, database backups, and software packages. Security. In addition to this, Leipzig dedicated servers offer the highest level of security available in the industry today. They are well protected from hackers and therefore your personal information and data are safe from being compromised. Technical support. Finally, you want to consider the technical support provided by your Leipzig dedicated server hosting provider. You will find that the vast majority of companies that offer dedicated servers also offer technical support through their own websites. If you cannot find an actual live person to help you with your problems, then choosing a dedicated server hosting provider who does not offer technical support is probably not a good idea. You should always be sure to ask any questions you may have regarding dedicated servers before purchasing them, so you can be fully prepared for whatever comes your way. Control panel. Furthermore, a dedicated server provides you with an abundance of extra features that are usually only available to larger companies, which can give your company the edge over rivals in terms of quality and efficiency. The addition of a cPanel and Plus control panel, for example, gives you the ability to maintain and manage your website exactly as a dedicated hosting provider would. There are also a number of software programs available that are specifically designed to make the process of running and maintaining your website much easier. Flexible. The reason why Leipzig dedicated server hosting is popular is because of the different advantages it offers. Among these advantages are the freedom and flexibility it gives. Basically, when you sign up for dedicated servers, you own the entire server and you have complete access to it. This means you can install any application you want on it, modify the website as you want, add new services and more. And yes, you can install software that is not available for the other users. You can also make modifications to the operating system itself. SSD storage. There are several other benefits that you can enjoy when you choose to host your website on a Leipzig dedicated server. One of the biggest advantages is the enhanced SSD features. One of the biggest advantages is that you can manage your files and database better with enhanced features. You can upload and download various types of files and even perform complex tasks like altering videos or audio files. One of the reasons why many people prefer to host their websites on dedicated servers is because they can perform tasks much faster than with shared hosts. Also, the users can customize settings in a better manner as compared to the users of shared hosts. In order to find a good dedicated server provider, the first thing you will need to do is to contact several potential providers. After contacting all of the providers, set up an interview session with each one of them. During your interview you will be asked all sorts of questions pertaining to the specific type of support they provide, their level of expertise and their fees. After conducting an interview with a few providers, compare the price and services provided from each of them to determine the best provider for your business. For more info visit TheServerHost or link in the description.